Well guys, just like every year, we're down here at All 4x4 Spares and we're giving the cars a once over. The Cruiser's already inside and she's getting a few sneaky things this time as well, and the Ranger will be up next. There's so much more to what these guys do. Let's go inside and I'll show you what I mean.
All 4x4 Spares are based in Newcastle, but also have a huge online range that's not only distributed across Australia, but also overseas. The showroom has a huge range of four-wheel drive accessories and passionate experts on hand to help with every inquiry. But it's when you step into the warehouse, workshops and dismantling factory that you really appreciate this business as a whole and its people.
So we've also got the Ranger in getting a little bit of a once over. Now the camera guys are pretty tough on the gear. This vehicle goes anywhere that the Cruiser goes, that the 80 goes, etc, etc. So they have found a few things. The actual seal inside here is a little bit worn. That's all now been replaced so that we don't get dirt in or oil out. And she'll be good as gold for the next season. So what the guys have done here is they've pulled everything out of the front. Two reasons for that. One, they're obviously checking everything, and what they have found is that the hub in the front on this side, driver's side, wasn't actually working. The other thing which is really, really exciting is they are actually putting a locker in the front, an E-locker, which is what I've always wanted to match the back. It'll be finally twin locked and hopefully I'll be able to get through everything. I think the really unique thing about All 4x4 Spares is that it doesn't matter what vehicle you've got. It could be a brand new Land Cruiser, an old girl like mine, an old Jeep, an old Landy, or something you've literally just bought off the shop floor. The guys can do it all, fit it all, have a look over it, do everything you need in the one spot.
But that's not all. These guys also have a dismantling warehouse, allowing them to sell top quality second-hand parts, a service that has got me out of trouble a couple of times.
So as you're walking around here, the guys have said that they have to have self-control. And I can definitely tell why, because as I walk around, I'm wanting to fill up every paddock of my place at home with some of the gems that you see here. Look at this guy. So there you go guys, there is so much that these guys do, from the shop over there to the dismantling department here and to everything else in between. The one thing that I have really noticed about this business is the passion. These guys don't just do this for a job, they do it because they are as passionate about four-wheel drives and the space that we are in as, let's say, myself. And that is pretty rare to find. Let's go, Dash.